Today's contestant is Whipper, a blue heeler hailing from Birmingham. At 11 years old, he is both the oldest and youngest contestant to ever grace this show. Whipper first began eating at 0 years of age and hasn't stopped since. Laid out before him, Whipper will have 4 exquisitely crafted dishes, each precisely designed by one of Britain's top chefs to entice different aspects of one's flavor palette. Our objective today is to determine which of these remarkable dishes our contestant deems most pleasing.
Contestant Whipper, how do you feel about participating on today's show?
Well, I feel quite good, really. I've been eating since, the day I was born.
What about your eating disorder?
Hey man, shut the up.
Okay.
And the moment of truth.
So, Whipper, what is your conclusion on our chef's delicious meals?
Well, I really have to say I enjoyed them all completely. I loved the part where I got to eat all the foods, and I would love to keep on eating all the foods forever.
Do you have a preference or a favorite?
I would like to eat them all more.